Hi everyone! Today we will make fun fabric pumpkin. We have 3 different sizes: 2.5 by 1.1 inches, 3.5 by 3, 5 by 4 inches. These lovely pumpkins are perfect for autumn or Halloween decor. You can also make your own size. Let's start. Supplies we will need for today. You need to choose some fabric, and practically you can use whatever you have at home. You will need also black felt for stem of the pumpkin, some stuffing. I will work with 100% polyester toy stuffing, 2 types of needles, one for sewing and another one for embroidery, 2 types of strings, regular for sewing in yarn to create shape, ruler, scissors, glue gun, white glue, then some yarn or yarn with wire. Let's start. Use scissors and ruler. Prepare 3 different pieces to create nice match sizes pumpkins: 4 by 8.5, 6 by 12.5, and 8 by 16.5. Once you have cut out your pieces of fabric, you are going to position it together and sew. Make 2-row sewing. However, if you don't have a sewing machine, you are more than welcome to do this by hand. When you are ready, take a regular needle with double string and begin to stitch around. Use approximately 4-5 mm stitching step. When you are ready, tie it together and gather together, and at the end, put tight knot. Flip over your back and begin to fill in with the filling. It has to look very full. You may need to add a bit more almost at the end. You will see this when I will do my second pumpkin. Now we will stitch around second side, then pull on my threads. I have gathered in the fabric as tight as possible and fixed it. Now we will work with the yarn to create the pumpkin shape. Probably it will be nice if your yarn will match the pumpkin color. So we will start from the bottom through to the top of the pumpkin. Tight a bit, then make another stitch through across. You may decide how many sections your pumpkin will have. I did with 6. Try to tie the yarn evenly. That will create symmetrical pumpkin shape. Then when you are ready, knot the end. Cut circle from the black felt, then take leftover yarn and apply white glue. Then twist it around pencil or brush and let it dry for a while. During this time, take another piece of black felt and roll it to create the stem. Use glue gun to fix the end. Then add it to the pumpkin. Take off your dry yarn and with glue gun attach beside the stem. If necessary, make the stem shorter. At the end, attach little round piece to the bottom. Your pumpkin ready. Next step, I will do 2 more pumpkins using the same steps. Very fast I will show you how to make second and third size pumpkins. Differences will be that I will use yarn with wire and will use more black felt to create stem for big pumpkin. As a result, I have 3 different beautiful pumpkins in 3 different sizes. They look great on my kitchen table. Ready pumpkins are available through our online store. Link you can find below in description. Thank you for watching and see you tomorrow for the next project.